This product has absolutely been a godsend. I have had so many problems trying to find something that works. I've tried other over-the-counter topical applications that I found at the drugstore. I've gone to a dermatologist and they didn't give me anything. I've tried hair laser therapy at $3,500. I mean, like I've poured my time and my money into finding something that works. And finally, I found something. Provelis has done wonders for my hair. I've only been using it for a month, but I'm starting to see little tiny fine hairs coming up through my surface. It's been amazing, and I have my female friends have noticed, but my male friends too. They've commented on how thick my hair looks and how shiny it is. And my one male friend, he always used to rib me because my bald spot was bigger than his. And now I'm starting to tease him a little bit more, and I think he's showing a bit more interest in finding out what exactly it is that I've been doing. I've also been taking these supplements with the product, and I love the fact that they're all herbal and they're natural, and I'm not, putting something in my body from China that's some toxic, concoction, and I'm just so thrilled that I finally found something that works, and I think it's going to work for you too.